All right, coaches, I'm going to do the random draw for the shooting accuracy competition. And again, I have your names right here. East Grand Rapids needs to submit their names. I have 5 girls from Forest Hills. I have Granville. Audra sent you an email. You're welcome to submit one more name, and then Cap 4 is not on your roster, but you have her in there. So get back to me on that. And then I have the 5 girls from West Ottawa. So I'm going to copy them. Copy their names. Go into random.org. Paste them in there. Okay. And here's, as I kind of think about doing things better for next year, 20 is not a good number. So next year we will go down to 16 for this competition. So, because this is a goofy looking bracket, but again, I'm using the printer brackets. 1 is at the top, 2 is here, 20 there. So I use this as a guide. I created the same thing basically right here in Excel. So after I do the random, I will put the girls here, and then I'll send this to you. So let's do this random generator again. Just like the sprint, I'm going to do it 3 times, and it will assign a number 1 through 24. So here we go. Randomize once. And random twice. And randomize again. All right, so I misspoke. 1 through 20. There are 4 teams, 5 girls each. That's 20. Good math. So I'll be putting them in. So we have Haley McKee from Forest Hills at first, Eleni from West Ottawa second, Rosie from West Ottawa is the third, East Grand Rapids number 5 will be the fourth, Cap number 4 from Granville will be fifth, Lindsay from Granville sixth, East Grand Rapids number 3 is seventh, Rachel Duma from Forest Hills eighth, Paige from West Ottawa ninth, Megan from Forest Hills 10, Claire from West Ottawa is 11, East Grand Rapids number 1 is 12th, Isabel from Granville will be in the 13th seed, East Grand Rapids number 4 will be in the 14th seed, Faith from West Ottawa will be 15th seed, East Grand Rapids number 2 will be in the 16th seed, Caitlin Kilmer from Forest Hills 17th, Michaela Ballard, I'm not sure why I didn't put her school down. She's going to be in the 18th place seed. Then we got Granville's 5th entry. If Audra chooses to submit a 5th girl, will be in the 19th seed. And then Hannah Heemstra from Forest Hills will be in the 20th seed. Okay, I'm going to fill them in to the brackets then according to the seeds from the print your bracket.